Hello friends, do you know plant is categorized into different types which is based on their characteristics and habitats. So in today's video we will going to see some common types of plants. So let's start with the types of plants. First type of plant is herbs. Herbs are the plants that are valued for their flavor, aroma, or medicinal properties. They are oftenly used in cooking, for making herbal medicines, and for traditional remedies. These are soft, small in size, and have green stems. So let's look at the examples of herbs. Mint, coriander, spinach. Now, let's look at the second type of plant, that is shrubs. Shrubs are woody plants that are typically smaller than trees. They play an important role in gardens, landscapes, and ecosystems. Shrubs are medium-sized plants with woody stems. They are bushy and have multiple stems growing near the ground. So now let's look at the examples of shrubs. Rose, jasmine, and hibiscus. Let's look at the third type of plant, that is trees. So, trees are tall, woody plants that play a vital role in the environment and provide numerous benefits to the ecosystem and to our life also. They are perennial plants with a single main stem that supports branches and leaves. They can grow to be very tall, often reaching heights of over 6 meters, that is 20 feet. They are large, tall plants with a thick woody stems called trunk. It is usually has a long lifespan. So let's look at the examples of trees. Mango tree, oak tree, neem tree. Let's look at the fourth type of plant, that is climbers. Climbers are the plants which is known as climbing plants or the vines. These are the plants that grow upward by climbing over the supports or other plants. They add beauty to the gardens and to the landscapes. Climber plants have very weak stems that need support to grow. They climb up the walls, poles or other plants. Let's look at the examples of climbers plant. Money plant, jasmine plant, and morning glory plant. Let's look at the fifth type of plant, that is creepers. Creepers plant are known as creeping plants or the ground covers. These are the plants that grow horizontally along the ground rather than climbing upwards. They are often used to cover the soil, prevent erosions, and add beauty to our gardens. These are the plants that spread along the ground because they have very weak stems. So now let's look at the examples of creeper plants. Pumpkin plant, watermelon plant, and strawberry plant. Now let's look at the sixth type of plant, that is aquatic plant. Aquatic plants are the plants that thrive in water or wet environments, including freshwater and saltwater ecosystems. They play essential roles in aquatic ecosystem and that can be found in ponds, lakes, rivers and marshes. These are the plants that live in water or in moist environments. So let's look at the examples. Water lily plant, lotus plant and hydrilla plant. Now let's look at the seventh type of plant, that is desert plants. Desert plants are known as xerophytes and are specialized plants that have adapted to survive in dry environments with limited water availability. These are the plants that grow in dry, arid environments. They store water in their leaves or stems. Now let's look at the examples of desert plants. Cactus plant, aloe vera plant, and agave plant. Look at the eighth type of plant, that is epiphyte plants. Epiphytes plant are unique plants that grow on other plants, usually trees, without harming them. They are often found in tropical rainforest and are adapted to live in a variety of environments. These are the plants that grow on other plants for support but do not take nutrients from them. So let's look at the examples of epiphytes: orchid plants, mosses plants, and ferns plant. I hope you found our video useful. So please like our video and share it with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you everyone. We'll meet you in our next part. Bye.